how you are doing? Hope your day is going fine and your week is going smoothly. I'm Kwenos and I've brought good news to you. Kwenos will be having another tutorial session next month from 17th of August to 13th of September. I know a lot of people will be happy to hear this good news. And you know what? As usual, there are a lot of gifts to be given out. The second best student goes on with a powder palette. Yay! Then our third overall best student goes on with a set of lash. What's going on with this gift? And our overall best student goes on with a makeup box. Woo! See how big this box is. Yes. So right now, just slide into my DM. On WhatsApp, you can reach me on 081-3055-2064. And on my Instagram account, Kwenos, Kwenos. I'm waiting for your DMs. And the fee is just 10,000 naira. It's 10,000 naira. This one is our wolf package. Our wolf package. Rush into my DM. Rush me with plenty messages. Bye.